So over here you can see that I have a new document inside of Blender. I'm just going to delete out the cube right here and maybe delete out the camera as well. So now one way to bring in objects from another scene is to link it where there's a dynamic link between the objects, and another way is to use the append feature. So in order to use the append feature, I'm going to go to file and then I'm going to go around into append. And once I do that, what happens is that there's the folder. As you can see, the Explorer window opens up. I'm just going to go to KBlender where my files are located. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to cubes and spheres and I'm going to go inside of collection and select the collection. And here you can see append is an option. So once you click on append, this is what you have. So basically what happens when you append is that all the contents get copied out and is imported onto the Blender scene that you have. You're not opening up the original file, but you're importing out a copy of these files right here. So you can select this, and if you were to move this out, you can move this left and right. You can move this out left and right and so forth. And that is how it works. And that is how you can append this. But the thing about append is that it creates a copy of the objects in the scene. So it is not dynamically linked. So whatever changes you make over here is not really affecting the original file. So it's simply like creating a copy. And that is how you can use the append feature inside of Blender. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.